Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set your followers to comment on your story in your Instagram. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Instagram. Then go to your account and click on your menu. Then scroll down, press on comment. Now click on stories. If you want to set your followers to comment on your story, then click here your followers. That's it. So this is how to set your followers to comment on your stories. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.